It's a 2015 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It's well equipped with features you need: automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, ultrasonic park assist, entertainment system with Blu-ray, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. Cadillac is driving the world forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.